Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can integrate woPurse into your website or into your Android applications. Here we go. Now quickly go to woPurse.com. On getting there, you will see this display. Now we have send and receive money via woPurse. Now click on get started if you have already started before. Now after that, you can just go ahead to click on register. Then from here you create your account. And after that, you provide your email address, your business name. Now on this page, you can see this is account type personal, so you can change to business. So we have it here, so merchant. So you change to merchant, then you provide your business name here. Now after that, you provide your email address, then leave this merchant. Now merchant means if you have a website or you have an Android app before and you want to integrate this payment gateway into your website or into your app, so you need to go for merchant. But if you want to be using it to send money, maybe from one woPurse account to another woPurse, or if you want to use it to fund your wallet, or you want to use it to buy anything online on any website or any app that supports woPurse, so you can just go ahead with this personal account type. Okay, now after that, click on login. So you want to log into our account. Now I've created my account, you can see. Now immediately you create your account, you will see this is the first page, complete your profile. Now on this place, now you have your business name, you can't change this again. Now you provide your mobile number, so let's assume this is your phone number. Then you set your PIN, so let me just put 0000, that is sample PIN. Now the password is optional, so it should be using the former one you chose. So let's click on update. Okay, so we need to provide our PIN again, the one I set. Okay, proceed. Alright, now this is my dashboard. Now on display you can switch the theme, so we have it in dark mode and we have it in light mode. Okay, so I registered as a merchant, so which means I have these buttons, the 5 buttons here. The first one is to refresh, the second one to transfer. Now in case you want to transfer money into another woPurse account, so you click on transfer. You can see, so you provide the woPurse ID or you choose it from the beneficiary. So we have amount, your PIN. This is just for confirmation, so you need to choose I'm ready to transfer. So in case you want to reset your PIN, you click here. Now you can change the theme to white. Alright, now this one is for funding, because if you check the balance here, I have 0. So, and before you transfer money, you must have money here. So how you do that? Now woPurse will create a virtual account number for you with a VFD. So let me click here. Okay, so this is just merchant. I will have this button for withdrawal. So when you click on this, you can withdraw to bank, into any bank. So the charge is just 15 naira. If you withdraw 100,000, the charge will be 15 naira. If you withdraw any amount, it will be 15 naira. Okay, but to transfer, this is 0. You can see there is no fee on this. Okay, now let's go straight to the point. I have a website which I want to integrate woPurse into it. So the first thing you do, click on configure. I have my woKey. Now your woKey is your, let me call it public key. Okay, so in case you want to enable it or disable the integration, so you can just click here. You can see enable or disabled. This is your merchant code. Okay, I believe you understand webhook. So the response when someone sends money into your account, so woPurse will push the response into this URL. So you need to provide your webhook link, so it can be your domain / maybe webhook.php, any link you want to provide there. I will show you the output of the webhook. I will show you. Okay, so in case you want to reset your woKey, so choose this and update. So I'm not resetting it. Now the virtual account numbers woPurse create for your customers, you are going to see it here. So let me just click here. Okay, so woPurse has not created any virtual accounts for my customer. So when you start using the API, it will start creating the accounts for your customers. Okay, here we go. Now the profile here, that's very simple for you to do. So this is your account. In case you want to fund your wallet, you click on this profile, you see your bank details here. Okay, so you already know that after you've created the virtual account, your customer starts paying into it, and then the money will be showing here. So click here to log out, then change the theme here. Okay, now let's go straight to the point. We are going straight to the API documentation. So let me log out.